is a common plant known for its bright yellow flowers and fluffy seed heads. Though often considered a weed, it has many health benefits and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The benefits of dandelion: rich in nutrients, high in vitamins A, C, K, and minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Supports digestion, acts as a mild laxative and helps stimulate appetite and bile production. Liver detox, traditionally used to cleanse and support liver function. Anti-inflammatory, contains compounds that reduce inflammation. Antioxidant, fights free radicals and oxidative stress. Diuretic, increases urine production, helping with fluid retention. Blood sugar support, may help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. Cholesterol control, some studies suggest it helps lower bad cholesterol. Immune support, strengthens the immune system. Skin health, used in treating acne and other skin